Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 9th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir, quite a nice day today. So we are up 61 cents, 5.53%, closed at 11.65. Post-market, we are even up 2 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we have a green candle. We have pretty much a perfect match. So the low of the day is right smack on our downward resistance that is now becoming a support for the stock. And the stock is pretty much right smack on the resistance that we have at 11.94. So the high of the day actually was at 12.02. Let's go see on the 1 hour chart what happened. We forcefully broke the downward resistance right here with a nice green candle, very long, lots of strength in there. Then the stock tried to break 11.94 on the 2nd hour, could not, stayed sideways. A 3rd hour, 4th hour came even closer, and a little bit of a drop down for the 5th hour. And now we are basically going sideways, but there's a little bit of a weakness here with this longer wick at the top than at the bottom. So I would have preferred to have seen something else. The volume is increasing here, and the stock is at least staying put. So we are staying above 11.60. So it's not so bad. And in terms of indicators on the 1 hour chart, everything is very good. So this was a nice move for the 1 hour chart. For the daily chart, we have a stochastic climbing up a little bit at 42. So let's hope that tomorrow we can break this 11.94 that we have been trying to break and stay above for more than a few days right here on March 1st. MACD still crossed over bullish, so that's still a good sign. And look at our RSI right here. So RSI is climbing up a little bit, and RSI is still trending up. So this is a divergence. So RSI has been trending up since January 27th, while the stock has been trending down. So what is happening is that RSI is a forward-looking indicator in the sense that if you see a divergence, the RSI is going up and the stock is going down. But really, the stock should be going up eventually because RSI is looking at the strength within the stock, and that strength has been increasing. This is a good sign for the stock. And DMI, it takes a lot of convincing to get that indicator on our side. We can start drafting something like this. This is the support that I see right now for Palantir. So we are getting into this very tight zone. So the stock will have to make a decision. Will it break support or will it break a resistance? So stay tuned for the rest of the week. We are going to watch that every single day. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can also click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.